Hey everyone, this is another video in the Garmin how-to series. I highly recommend checking out the other videos in the series if you want more info on Garmin tips and tricks. Okay, so there are 3 ways to update your Garmin unit. 1, the active captain method. 2, the direct SD card method, and 3, the Garmin Express method. Today, I'm gonna show you how to use the direct SD card method, which I found to be the most reliable and fastest way of updating your chart plotter. If you're interested in the other 2 methods, check out the links in the description for those, but otherwise, let's jump in. Garmin recommends an SD or micro SD card between the sizes of 4 and 32 gigabytes. If you have a GPSMAP unit, minimum size is 8 gigabytes. First thing you want to do is take the SD card out of your Garmin unit. It could be located on the front or the back. Once you take it out of the device, you want to connect it to your computer. You can either use a USB dongle or some other adapter. Once it's connected, you want to make sure that your computer recognizes it. It should show up as a USB drive if you're using that type of connection. And then you should see a folder named Garmin or an empty card. You want to go to one of these links that I have on the screen here, or link down in the description if you want to click on it based off of which device you have to make sure that you're going to be downloading the correct latest software bundle. Once you open the link, you should see a page similar to this, and you want to make sure that you click I agree to the above terms and want to proceed to the download page. This page will always be updated with the latest version for your unit. Click download. You'll see a pop-up box that comes up asking you where you want to save the download. Select an easy place to find the file. I'm using a folder called Garmin Download on my desktop. At this point, you should see the download starting in your browser. If you're using Chrome, it should show up in the bottom banner like you can see here on the screen. Allow that download to complete. Once the download is complete, go to the location where the file was saved. So I'm on my desktop, Garmin download folder, and I see the downloaded compressed folder here. We're gonna unzip this to extract the downloaded zip file. I'm going to right click, and I'm gonna say extract all. Extract. Once it's done extracting, I can see I have a file folder now with the same name that is not zipped and compressed. Double click on that, open it up. Inside of this folder, we will double click on copy to card. You may see a screen like this if you're on Windows 10 with Windows Defender. Click on more info and click run anyway. If it doesn't pop up, you should go to this screen directly. You'll now click next to proceed, accept the terms of the license agreement, click next, and now you're going to select the SD card that you have in your computer. Mine is in drive L. So I will select that and I will click next. It is now going to copy the files to the SD card so that I can put it into the chart plotter. Once the copying is complete, you will see this, the update was successfully transferred to your card screen. Go ahead and click finish. Next, you want to power on your Garmin unit and make sure all attached network devices are powered on as well. So if you have Livescope, you want to make sure that's plugged in. Now insert the card into the card slot on your chart plotter. Select Update Software in the window that automatically displays. Click Yes and allow it to do the update. Your device may reboot during this process 1 or 2 times. Upon completion, it will ask you to restart the device more than likely. After the last reboot, your device is updated and all connected network devices. To see more Garmin tips and info, click into the playlist on the screen, and until next time, take it easy.